Do you like that?
Swimming, wee! Mom, I'm not even putting my hand up! Let's try another one. Hey! Do something different, like swim across the school. Come here and hand rope. Okay.
Can you whistle, Raj?
Yeah, Raj! Do backstroke, Raj. Now I told you. Push up the... No, Mom! Mom!
Hi, Mom.
We got something good to do.
Lynette, where's Meredith? Meredith?
Hi, Mom. I'm gonna come in.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
Good. Mom, I got something great to show you. Whee!
Okay.
Mom, look.
Whoa, look at these kids.
What? Ow! Oh, you just got Roger all wet, Mike.
Did you get wet? Hey, Raj, could you put your head underwater? And I'll tape you
Can you do
to...
this, Raj? No, but Mom, you could watch me do this.
Okay. Whoa.
Watch out, Raj. Me doing pull-ups, push-ups. You pull.
Oh, don't get me wet, Mike. Mike, you can't get us wet.
Michael got you wet.
Got you wet, too?
Yeah.
That's okay. All right, I'm going to go in.
Bye. Look. Look.
Where are you?
Hanging on my head. This cup is
Wow.
breaking. We're playing try to catch. Well,
Lynette's favorite thing to do. See the pile of them? Dishes, it's great.
Slave here.
Of course, she has to turn on her tunes.
Secret garden.
My new wreath. Had to take a picture of my new wreath.
Come on, Mary. Help anybody?
Car. Hi, Jared. Which he takes care of and fixes all by himself. Jared just turned 18 years old. This is September 29th, 1993, and Jared is 18 years old. Or not today, but this month. Roger? What you doing, Raj?
riding my bike.
How old are you? How old? Show me with your hand. And when will you be 5?
Mary, gotta go see that, so you better hurry.
Good. Okay, let's see you ride. Whoops, you okay?
Yeah.
Okay, jump up. Again, today is September 29th, 1993. Roger will be 5 years old next month. You gonna ride it? Go up the step, Roger. Can you go up back up the step?
Okay, this is my horse, Captain Moroni, and
And the date.
I'll find you my friend. Today is November 17th. 18th. 1993. Okay. Okay, all right.
Thank you, thank you. Wait, Lynette, one more time, tell us what you're doing.
Chopin waltz. I don't know which one.
Okay, and she played this for the Green Valley Chamber Music Society, about a week ago.
Yep, sorry. I did, yeah, okay. You're fine. Don't worry about stopping.
Lynette. Is there anything else you want to play?
Play that Christmas song back.
I'm not very good at it.
Well, I have the music.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Tell us what you're going to be doing.
It's called ballet, and I have banded up.
Wait. One more time. Who's it by?
I don't know. Berg Mueller?
And today is still November 18th, 1993. Meredith's 11 years old. And this is just a piece she's been practicing. I'm going to play this other song because I really like it, and she said she's not very good at it. But what's the name of it, Meredith?
Seascape?
Seascape, and who's it by?
Gillock? William Gillock?
Okay. Just do your best as you can. Then start just right there. Beautiful. Thank you. You done?
There was another song I was going to play.
All right. Would you play it now?
Okay. This is a song that got me good at.
And the name of it?
Sonnet Here in C major.
By?
Clemente.
Okay. else, Roger?
I'm gonna make this table. I'm gonna hammer. I'm gonna hammer a nail right here, and a nail right there, and a nail right there.
And
So, I don't know. But I'm just gonna put on a cover on a clean cover. So it used to go on that other table.
yeah? Okay. Now, where are the other nails going to go?
Huh?
Can you show me how you're going to do it? Okay. Oh, I think you better put it back in the corner farther.
Huh?
You better put it back in the corner of that one farther. Not right there.
It is right here.
Well, why don't you move the leg over a little bit?
Huh? The leg?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay.
I think it's too close to the edge. Move it in just a little bit, Raj.
Right here?
Yeah, and then move the nail in a little bit too. Yeah, like that.
Right here?
Yeah. Do you think that looks good?
That's good.
You'll have to keep going through more until you hit the wood. I don't think it's all the way through yet. Keep pounding it down a little bit further because I don't think it's through that top piece of wood. Hey, Roger,
What?
can you tell me how old you are?
5.
Show me. Did you just have a birthday? And stand up and show me your fort for a minute.
Huh?
Can you show me your fort? Tell me about the sport you have.
Well, I put stuff on there. See?
That's Lynette's birthday, isn't it? What other things did you put on there?
Well, I made a lot of stuff on here.
Well, go around and show me.
Okay. One house up there. Got the table.
Wait, let me get over there so I can see.
Got this metal table.
Uh-huh.
I put up this fence for me. Yeah, put the fence up for me too.
Yeah?
Open and close.
Show us your other part of your fort over there where it's carpeted.
Well, this one?
Yes.
Well, that's my little army place.
Where? Down here?
Right here.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Sometimes I just go up here like this. And that's what I do on my fort.
Can you go up on your other part of your fort?
What fort?
That part up there?
Yeah, I could go on this spot too.
Let's see. Be careful.
Let me get down for a second. I have to do something.
Oh, don't fall. Why don't you just climb up the other way? How about that?
See, Mama?
Yep. What is that thing that you're on right there?
Huh?
What is that thing?
This thing?
Yeah.
A rack fort.
A rack fort?
Uh-huh.
You got from Dad?
Uh-huh.
Where is it from? Where did Daddy get it from?
From the trailer.
From the trailer or the truck?
It's right.
Okay, thanks for showing me your fort.
Mm-hmm.
You want to, hey, Roger,
What?
look at me for a minute. Do you want to get back to doing your hammering and making your table now?
You can watch me, Mama.
Oh, well, I have to go in now, okay?
Well, Mama, you could just, so you could just put the, you could You could put your video camera right on that piece of wood right there.
I could.
Mm-hmm.
And just let it go by itself?
Mm-hmm.
No, not today.
Mom, can you watch me make my little table?
No, today I have to go in and get things done for Thanksgiving.
Okay.
Hey, Russ,
Thanksgiving, why?
because all your cousins are coming over.